Just sitting here twiddling my thumbs. It's me again. What are we doing today? This is just gonna be a really short video. I have 1,011 subscribers. Thanks to you folks. Somewhere on the other side of that camera when I upload it, because right now I'm talking to myself and there's nobody behind the camera. So yeah, thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking my channel, and I hope you all come back and watch some videos. If any of you want to watch some videos, please do. I need a little more watch time. I'm not exactly up there with the, but I think I also need more subscribers and a little more popularity. I don't have the greatest channel in the world, but it's just my channel. It's what I do. And I thank everyone who's awesome subscribers for watching. And if anybody thinks I should have a channel giveaway for all of you, maybe I will do that. And what I'll do, if actually anybody wants a sander, I'll figure out how to give something away for free. I don't know if there's rules, or if anybody knows the rules, how do you do giveaway? Please let me know. But I'd like to give somebody a chance to be thankful, or I'll send you all 1,000 postcards. So whatever works. Anyway, thanks everybody who subscribed to my channel, came to my channel, watches my channel, comments on my channel, and helped me out promoting my channel. And there was a couple of channels that were giving people shout outs on Instagram and Facebook and a few other places. I don't remember you all, but I thank everyone you. And it's awesome because I never thought I'd get past 100. Also, if you're a tiny little channel out there and you're making videos and you got 300 subscribers, keep on trucking, because you will get there one of these days. And make some more content. Make a couple of videos a week, pop them up, and have some fun. It's if you're wondering how to do it, I make videos in my garage. I record. Like I said, I don't really think I'm a garage channel or a tool channel. I think I'm more of like a, what do you call it, Ganawaka, Utah's vlog channel. I record all kinds of shit, and the reason why I can record so many videos is because I just like doing this. Whether I have a camera in front of me, if there was no camera in front of me, I wouldn't be sitting here talking. I'd be doing some tinkering in my garage. But it makes it more interesting, notice, because then I get feedback. People I know are like looking at all kinds of things in here. They're like zooming in. Hey, what is that? I seen this. So it's fun. Plus I get to share all the junk I do it with random people all over the world. And I got a lot of good ideas online from watching some of your channels. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hey, maybe I'll have 2,000 more subscribers this year. I doubt it. I mean, my guess is this year another 500. I'll be good with that. So yeah, thanks. Click buttons, click all kinds of stuff, whatever, and stay tuned. There's more videos coming.